We'll compare the fractions 6/7 and 21/25 using a less than or greater than sign. In order to do this, we will first write the fractions with a common denominator, and then we'll be able to compare the numerators to see which fraction is larger. Looking at the denominators, 7 and 25, they have no factors in common, so the least common multiple is their product, 7 times 25, or 175. So I need to write 6/7 and 21/25 with a denominator of 175. For 6/7, I multiply by 25 over 25. For 21/25, I multiply by 7 over 7. Multiplying numerators and multiplying denominators, I get 150 over 175, and I get 147 over 175. Since 150 is greater than 147 and the denominators are the same, 150 over 175 is greater than 147 over 175. But these two fractions are equivalent to the fractions we began with, so 6/7 is greater than 21/25.